Stop coding against a black terminal window. Today, I'll show you how to develop a high-appearance snake game with a UI interface and pause menu using Python. It's not only playable, but the code logic is also extremely clear. Even beginners can follow along and nail it without mistakes. The most annoying part before coding is setting up the environment. Messing with various environment variables can discourage half of the people. I've been using ServBay lately. It's actually an all-in-one local web development environment. The best part is that it fully integrates Python, various databases, and automatic DNS resolution. You don't need to modify the messy path in your system. Just check the Python version you want in the panel, and the environment is ready in seconds. Moreover, it's isolated from the system's native Python environment. No matter how you tinker with libraries, you won't crash the system. This out-of-the-box smooth experience is really stable for developers who pursue efficiency. Step 1. Install Pygmy with one command in the terminal. For the code logic, we first set up an 800/600 canvas. Note that the size of the snake's blocks should be proportional to its movement speed. Here, I set it to 20 pixels with 15 FPS for the smoothest feel. To give the game a premium feel, I encapsulated a separate button class. I added hover detection to it. It turns light blue when the mouse hovers over it, and red as a click feedback. This step is crucial with these interactive details. Your code feels like a proper game rather than just a homework assignment. The core main loop is divided into 3 parts: failure interface, pause interface, and running logic. I center the text and buttons on the pause interface with ample spacing, so they're no longer cramped. Control the snake with the arrow keys. It automatically grows longer when it eats food. And food never spawns on the snake itself. The details are perfect. Let's check the running effect. Running it in the environment built with ServBay results in extremely low memory usage. Whether it's pausing, restarting, or quitting, the response is lightning fast with no lag at all. This instant writing and testing, millisecond-level local response, makes debugging code an absolute pleasure, and the gaming experience for beginners is fully maximized. The entire process takes just 5 minutes. From setting up the environment to writing the code, ServBay saves us a ton of time. Even beginners can get started easily.